Hi everyone, I'm Jay with Talk Fusion Support, and I'm going to show you the brand new video email located within your brand new product dashboard. Once you log into your account, go ahead and click on Video Email located at the very top left corner of the screen. From here, you have the ability to request a custom template, and create your video email. We'll start with creating your video email. Once you click on Create Video Email, you'll be brought to this section where you can name your video email. You also have the ability to add a description. This section is optional. Once done, click Let's Begin. Once you click Let's Begin, it will then take you to this screen where it will have 5 steps for you to complete. As you can see, we're on the first step. Who is sending this video email? The contact information is already pre-filled into the account based on what you have logged into your account settings. There are only 3 required sections on this field: name, email, and subject. All of the other sections are optional. You have the ability to put your social media information on the Facebook and Twitter username section so that if you allow social media sharing, users will be able to click on your Talk Fusion icon or on those Facebook or Twitter icons and go to your Talk Fusion page. Let's go ahead and create a subject line for our first video email. Next, you have the option to choose if it's going to be a pre-designed or a build your own. We'll go ahead and click build your own. We'll also discuss how you can use pre-designed templates. To the right, you also have the ability to enable social media sharing, like I discussed earlier, as well as use private labeling. If you have private labeling on your account, this option will show for you. If you didn't request your private label, you'll have the ability to request your private label here as well. Let's go ahead and jump to the next step. Now let's build our template. Like before, you have the ability to edit your banners and images on the template as well as your greeting. So let's go ahead and choose the banner that we want to use by clicking Upload Your Banner. And once you select the banner, it will drop onto the template for you. We do provide you the specific dimensions for each section, so that way you can pre-design or pre-crop your image to fit that allocated space. Now let's go ahead and match the colors of the banners to our template. By clicking the arrow here at the top left corner of the template, you have the ability to change the color of the overall design of the template. Let's see if we can match the blue. Once you're satisfied with your image, go ahead and then click OK to select that specified image. And you will see it instantly change on the template. Once you're satisfied with your template, click Next. And now you'll be taken to the page where you can add your video content to this template. You still have your same 4 options, such as your saved videos, the one that you've previously uploaded, Talk Fusion professionally recorded videos in the Fusion video section. You can record a video or import a video. We'll go ahead and import a video for this section. While your video is uploading, you have the ability to come down here and edit your text for the video. By double clicking in the section, you can then start typing in your body of the video email. Notice once you start typing, it removes all of the pseudo text that was previously available on the template. And you can still customize your message greeting with the tools that you have on the text editor. Once you're satisfied with your message body and the template, go ahead and click Next to compose. And here we'll choose our recipients for our video email. Like before, you can select contact folders. You can search for your contacts, or you can type in new email addresses. Once you finish typing your email, press Enter to select that email as a recipient and proceed to the next step. Lastly, you're going to confirm your video email that you've created. You have the ability to go back and change your contact of who you have this email sending to, the from information, as well as the subject line of the video. You also have the ability to change the background or edit the video email. Let me show you how you can also choose a pre-designed template when editing your video email. We'll go back to the first step and change it from Build Your Own to Pre-Design, and click Next. Click on the Categories section, and you have the ability to choose from your custom templates or the hundreds of pre-designed templates that we have available for you. Clicking each section will then reveal a preview of those templates in that category. And you have the ability to choose the one you would like to use for this particular video email. By selecting the template, it allows you to highlight it, and by clicking the letter A will allow you to change the language of that specific template. Once you're satisfied with your template, click on the purple icon to select it. This will then give you the final preview of that template that you selected and allow you to complete the process of sending out your video email. You have the ability to schedule this video email to be sent later by clicking the schedule icon, but we'll go ahead and send it out now. And congratulations, you've sent out your first video email. Once you've sent your video email, it will then bring you to your video email manager screen where we first started, showing you the specific details of that email. The status reviews the status of that email, whether it's been sent, saved, or recalled. It lets you know when the date of that email was created or scheduled. And by clicking the three dots, you have the ability to review the reports, copy that email to create a brand new email, or again, recall the video if you no longer want anyone to view this particular video email. By clicking Reports, it will then take you to the video email report, where you can view who it was sent to, how many times it was opened, clicked, if there were any particular bounced or spam complaints on that email. It also reveals a GIF image preview of the video email that you sent. Lastly are the details that you created for the email. And just like that, that is how you create and send out your video email. I hope this has been very informative and helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@talkfusion.com and let us know any questions that you have regarding this or any of our other products. Thank you.